Hey everyone, it's Jared with Heat Press Nation. Sometimes a plain old mouse pad just isn't enough to decorate your desk. The SubliCraft mouse pads are here and ready to add some flair to your desk in no time. So in this video, I'll be guiding you through how to turn them into fun and decorative items with sublimation using the HPN CraftPro Swing Away Heat Press. So stick around as we'll customize this. Now, if you enjoy this video or find it to be helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. But to catch the latest tutorials and live episodes from Heat Press Nation, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell while you're at it. All right, let's get started. You should never underestimate the level of personality that smaller additions can bring to your desk. And SubliCraft mouse pads are no exception to this. Made with a robust, heat-resistant foam that's topped with a smooth, white polyester surface, these mouse pads are ready to be completely sublimated with any full color image you desire. So whether it's a straightforward design with your company's logo or a picture of your favorite friends or family members, SubliCraft mouse pads are a perfect gift for any occasion. Whether they're the square, round, or rectangular styles, fully sublimating them as a decorative item is just as simple as with any hard photo panel. First, you'll need to prepare your image or graphic within the imprint area of the particular mouse pad that you're using. By visiting the page of a SubliCraft mouse pad at heatpressnation.com, you can find the PDF template ready to be used with your photo editing or graphic design software. These templates will include all the essential dimensions in the pad's shape, which are separated into bleed, imprint, and safety layers. And by importing your image or graphic and using the template's bleed layer as a clipping mask, this will speed up the process of keeping your design and elements within the pad's shape, as well as helping to prevent image clipping as you apply the printed transfer. For this video, we've prepared our design for the 9¼ by 7¾ inch SubliCraft mouse pad. But as soon as your design is ready, you may print it through your sublimation printer. For Sawgrass printers, send it to Sawgrass Print Manager and use these settings. Substrate set to polyester, paper set to your paper's profile, leave the mirror option checked, and in the color tab, change the color mode to photographic or vivid depending on your design's level of detail. With these settings in place, you may click print on SPM. Now that our design has been printed, we're ready to apply it onto our mouse pad. Turn on your heat press and set it to 40 seconds at 400 degrees Fahrenheit with medium pressure. We'll be pressing our mouse pad with the 12 by 15 inch HPN CraftPro Swing Away Heat Press, which, even though it's compact, is still large enough to be able to press it completely. Once your machine reaches temperature, cover the lower platen with a sheet of parchment paper, and then add your printed transfer on top. Next, you may bring your mouse pad in and place it on the transfer white side down, facing toward the printed image. To keep it in place, you may attach the pad onto the transfer with strips of heat tape. You can alternatively use a light amount of adhesive spray on the transfer itself prior, which you'll then place your mouse pad onto. Though be sure to use the adhesive spray away from your machine to prevent leaving any residue on it. Once your pad is attached, flip it back with the paper side up, cover it with another piece of parchment paper, and press. After 40 seconds, open your machine and allow the pad's transfer to cool down for a moment. Once cooled, quickly peel it off the pad and you've now fully customized a SubliCraft mouse pad onto a nice, decorative item ready to suit any desk. If you'd like to show us your custom SubliCraft mouse pads, in addition to joining an emerging community of heat transfer enthusiasts, please feel free to join our Heat Press Nation Creators Facebook group at heat.press/FB group. To learn more about HPN CraftPro heat presses and SubliCraft blanks, please visit our website at heatpressnation.com. For any questions, you can get in touch with the friendly My Expert representative at heat.press/support. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation, and thanks for watching.